Welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to use this website called everytimezone.com. It is a very useful website to convert time automatically. For example, you want to have a meeting on Saturday at 7 p.m. your local time and you have participants from other countries. So first you go to the website here everytimezone.com and then you see the top left corner here. Okay. And then you click the date. You choose the date. For example, now it's the 24th of March. And then you want to have it on Saturday. So it's the 29th of March. So you click and then you choose the date and then you move the green bar, this one, to the time of your meeting. For example, 7 p.m. So 7 p.m. it means this one. And then if you have set the time, you click link, share this event time, and then you copy paste to your address bar to make sure that you get the right time. So you copy paste it here. This event will begin at 7 p.m. on Saturday, Western Indonesia time. So you can copy and paste the link to your participants and they will get the time automatically converted to their local time. Yes, hope this helps. Thank you and see you again. Bye-bye.